Welcome back, gang. This is an exciting episode, an episode I have not filmed in quite some time. Some could call this a banger, but basically what my buddy Weston and I are gonna be doing today is we're gonna be creating a fishing roulette challenge. Now this has been done 100 times, but figured we added a bit of a different twist to it today. Other than just adding lures, we had kind of consequences to this wheel. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 9 total segments on this wheel. And for those of you who aren't familiar with this concept, basically what we do is we take turns spinning this wheel, and whatever it lands on, you then have to fish or do. So I land on a crappie jig, so I'd have to fish the crappie jig for 30 minutes. We're gonna do 4 quarters, each quarter is 30 minutes. Whoever catches the most fish in the challenge gets that fat W. So let's get out in the water and see who's the victor. You wanna spin first? You want me to spin first?
Hey, no wasting time, man. You said it. Let me get on this wheel.
All right, get it. Spin that.
Wait, I'm just gonna let it roll. We're letting it go.
What do we got? What do we got?
What do we got? Jump in the lake.
Oh my God. Fish any lure sitting down. That is a
Fish any lure
banger.
Sitting down. All right, so I can do whatever I want. I just gotta be right here in the passenger.
So you didn't have to move from where you spin.
This is perfect. Fish any lure sitting down.
Not bad. Not bad. I'm getting cocky. Like I think that's a bad one, but meanwhile I could get like jump in the lake immediately. Don't even tell me what I get. Hopefully something good. She's spinning. She's spinning. She's spinning.
Oh,
what do we got?
Not yet. It's pretty solid.
What is it? Oh, trench hog. Hell yeah. Okay, you ready?
Dang, let's go.
So pick your rod, rig up, and we'll get started.
Roger, Dodger.
Roulette fishing challenge starts now.
So what are you doing, Weston?
Just loving life, honestly. You know, any lure I want, sitting down, John's on the motor. He'll take us to the prime locations. I just gotta really reel him in. It's smooth sailing from here on out, boys. Drop shot first. Going with the murky minnow dragon drop. Rock and roll.
I'm feeling pretty damn confident about this round. I'm fishing quite possibly one of the best all-time creature baits in the entire universe, trench hog right now. I'm gonna Texas rig this on a 1/2 ounce, and we're gonna fish this slow on some trees. It's already a steamy 102 degrees out this morning, so I gotta fish deep, fish slow, and look for them big uns. Googan baits, I'm feeling it. Okay, 30-minute and 8-second timer starts now. You can fish. Go get them. There's one. He's got it. Oh. That was a bite. That was a bite. It's a pretty good one too. Jeez, up shallow. Thought I'd have to go deeper today. I guess not. What?
You get him?
Nope. Bro, I don't even have a bait no more.
Oh?
Oh, no way.
Net me, baby.
Did you really just get the first fish?
I can't get up.
Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me.
That's one and done.
No way.
Well, you know, we saw John get a bite kind of tossed into the same area with the Lunker log. I think this is the 6-inch black and blue. Just going weightless. And I can throw any tactics I want out there because John can't copy me. He's got to throw the trench hog. So, bam, the Lunker log snagged the first one for me in this 30 minutes. I think it's probably 4 minutes in, 5 minutes in. Sitting down. Can't get much easier, man. Wow. Let's get a bigger one. Oh, there we go.
No way.
John, how's the front of the boat?
Are you serious? That's a good one too. Wow. I'm getting absolutely smoked right now. Just smoked. Yeah, why are you helping him out, Alex? Jeez. That is a fatty. Oh my God.
Lucky, they're liking the Lunker log this morning. John, you might want to switch.
What,
oh,
to the seat or to the Lunker log?
The Lunker log.
Yeah, I can't do either.
All right, let's try and get him untangled. There we go. Ooh, he's about to flail. Look at this fatty. Wow, nice one. Just suspended on the trees this morning. I'm hitting him weightless. John's still rocking that trench hog. I think we got another 22 minutes or something like that. And wouldn't you know it, smashing them hogs, baby. Only the finest largies. John looks like he's on, but I think he might be snagged.
Good fish.
Good fish?
Good fish. Oh my God.
Oh, it is.
Not bad. It's not giant. He was just in the trees.
Oh, he's big. John's on too. We're gonna see if it's bigger.
Oh God. Maybe it is decent. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good one. Oh my God. That's a nice fish. Oh wow. This is a good fish. Yes! Woo. Let's go! I couldn't let you just catch all the fish, man. Woo! I'm feeling pumped. Watch this, watch this. This is the scariest part about all of this. Boop. Hook just came straight out. That is a good fish, probably damn near 4 pounds. Such a quality bass. He was in the twigs. Trench hog, it's getting the big bites today. While this is a giant, unfortunately, Weston is still ahead of the game right now. Can't believe it. Two fish, but I'll take it. If it means catching a big fish over the quantity, then who cares? Let's get that fat release. That is a good one. There we go. All right, well, sportsman like Nux, not bad. Woo! Although I don't want you to beat me. That was pretty epic. You're doing a lot better than I thought.
I got to get back to my chair, man. It's
just
2 to 1.
You're eye level with them. You're just closer to them than I am right now.
I think that's what it is.
All right, I think we got a few more minutes. Let's get them.
Number 3, man, they're hitting the Lunker log. We switched up the size and color. We dropped down to the 5-inch, and we went for the June bug, and homie choked it. So that's 3 fish for us. John's at 1. We probably still don't match his weight on 1 fish yet.
Well, I lost that quarter. Big Sucky McGee just handed over the win to Weston on that. That's okay though. We still have 3 more quarters. We're gonna go back to the wheel. Where's the wheel? Oh, the wheel's right here. We're gonna spin Zun's the wheel. I'll do it first since you did it first last time. We spin. What do we got? Mondo worm. How, dude, I'm getting some juicy ones.
You got a good one.
I will gladly hand this one off to you.
All right, so.
No pressure, no
John's
pressure.
got the Mondo worm. He's locked and loaded.
Okay, I want to see.
Y'all telling me what I get? All right, round 2, man. I'm not looking. Don't mess with me either. I'm not jumping in the water.
Oh, you got to go and jig. That's not
Jig.
bad. Yeah, jig. Yeah,
That's a deal.
All right,
I'll throw a jig.
This is a pretty stacked round. We got 2 really productive lures. I'm basically just gonna take my hog off and switch it with a Mondo, mainly because I've got the hook and the weight for it. So I'm gonna let you get rigged up, and when you're ready to go, we'll start round 2 or quarter 2, and I'll catch up to you and kick your ass. All right, ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
Sir, are you ready? Let's go. Wiener dog, are you ready? Cameraman in the back, ready? Quarter 2 starts. Meow. If you're okay with this, Weston, we're probably gonna put this worm in a 5-pounder's mouth. Is that cool? Okay. You have one? No way. Oh my God. My snag resulted in your bass. Oh my God.
Woo! Round 2. We off to it. We getting jiggy with it. Oh yeah. John snagged.
I got snagged, so I go up to the bank really close, and he's like, "Oh yeah, I think I have one."
Right off the boat. We'll take it. I'm surprised with all the commotion he's causing with the trolling motor.
Oh yeah,
I just stirred this one up.
I literally,
Like, I
watched debris kick into that spot where you caught. Like, listen to me, I'm like banging up against trees right now. Actually, matter of fact, I have
literally just tore apart this tree, and that's where this one came out of on the jig, you guys. So without further delay, let's go ahead and try.
Where's the rabbit's foot at? Is it like on your go? You have it somewhere on you. Jeez. Well, nicely done. Pretty simple. Sorry, am I in your way?
No.
Look at it, look at it. You're on? No.
Awkward hook set.
No.
Super awkward hook set.
No.
Back there in the deep, boys.
I know he's got
Oh,
no.
there we go. This might be. That's my biggest of the day. Oh, we are cruising into the tree. Thanks to me catching all these fish, I'm on the motor.
Oh
so
my God. Is that 5?
Yeah.
who's counting really?
I am. 5 to 1 feels like 0.
5 to 1.
Yeah, this is bad.
Ooh, let's roll.
I have 4 fish to catch up, just to tie with you. I gotta catch 5 total just to get ahead.
You need him to have that wheel turn on that one dial.
Yes, sit down. You deserve
Why?
to sit down after the morning you've had. Yeah, absolutely.
Loser just has to buy Chipotle.
The timer just went off, but then it kind of stopped. Oh yeah. Well, quarter 2, still in the lead. I did nothing. That was the most unproductive quarter for me. Yeah. Missed 2 fish. The mono worm didn't do as good as the trench hog. I think they really like the trench hog. It's a little bit smaller, a little more subtle. All right, let's get to the wheel. Keep spinning.
Go.
Golly.
Let's go.
By all means. What do you have? I'm not even looking now.
I'm not looking either.
I'll let you know.
Okay, Alex is gonna let us know. This could be good.
Oh,
Oh.
Good or bad?
deep crankbait.
Oh.
Deep crank.
Not too
All right.
shabby.
Yeah, that's
They're
fair.
definitely deeper.
That's fair.
Okay, well, you're getting some pretty decent spins regardless of the first one. All right, spinning.
This could be good. I got a feeling about this one.
Oh,
Oh, well, you know it hits.
my turn to jig. I get the jig now. Okay,
Rats.
I'll take the jig. You, Weston caught 2 fish on the jig last quarter, so I'm feeling pretty confident about that one. You're gonna deep crank.
Just gonna try and go for 3 on the crank if he gets 2. That's all there is to it.
All right, let's go. Quarter 3, let's get it.
So basically, I see 2 or 3 deep options.
So this is a medium diving crankbait, 8 to 12, and then you got your deep crankbait. This is the Googan Squad Recon, the deep Recon. These at 12 or 15 to 20. Have fun with that.
This should be interesting.
Go get them.
Let's
They're
see if they're
shedding
down
here,
there.
so
Let's go.
you might have some fun with that. All right, I'm gonna go pick a jig and we're gonna get them. Or I'm gonna get them. Sorry, you're gonna take a break. Take it easy back there. Okay, start that timer, and she's good. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Good luck.
Oh,
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Oh my God.
Get him. Dude, he's right here. I gotta get my crankbait.
No way. That was so sick.
I'm gonna swim and get him.
No. How did I lose that fish? That was a good one too. It wasn't too bad. Maybe ended up showering, I think. That was so sick. Pulled it right out of his mouth. How did I pull it out of his mouth? No hooks on this thing? Jeez. Dude, he had that so well. Like he was going nowhere. He went somewhere. He's gone.
Oh,
No.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes. Oh.
You're kidding me.
On the crank.
Oh.
Woo! There we go. On the recon. Finally.
Any bait you throw.
Oh my gosh, it's been a killer day, guys. I just want to thank John for taking us out. He just lost one on the jig, and we got the first one on the deep diver. Look at this guy right here. This is my first time ever fishing this crankbait, and well, it gets the job done. I'm a happy camper. These treble hooks are so good you can hardly get them out. That's how it held on to this guy, despite the fact that there was only one barely lodged. Where's the pliers? Anyways, guys, third quarter's looking good. Looking good. I was casting out here deep, and I just don't have as much confidence. It's not something I do often, so I decided to kind of get it up here in the trees and the brush. I got snagged a couple times, saved it, but this time he chased it out of the woodworks and grabbed hold. There we go. First one in the third quarter for me.
That's 6 for you?
Yeah.
I think I'm up to 6.
Wow. 6 to 1. This is a blowout. I got like a quarter and a half to put something together, like just to absolutely slay them. I am sucking ass cheeks today. Okay, well, not that it matters or anything, but what I'm throwing is I'm throwing a Trash Master jig by Game Changer Lures, and on the back of that, I'm throwing a Crack and Craw PB&J with a little bit of, what color is this? June bug. On paper, it looks good, but bass don't seem to think so. That is the hottest water I've ever put in my mouth, for real.
Next one you got. Give it the business.
Oh, I have been giving them all of the business. Does not seem to matter. There we go. There we go.
No way.
Yes, it's actually fish.
Oh, you got it.
In the boat. Yes. Yes. Okay, here's my comeback. Here it is. I got to be quick about this. Alex, you got to film this super fast because I got a lot of ground to make up. Fish number 2 of, can't even speak. Fish number 2 of the day. Happened in third quarter, but I'll take it. Good little fish on the Trash Master with the Crack and Craw. See you later, bud. All right, give me that motor, Chief.
Oh, that's right.
Yes,
oh,
that's
rats.
right. I get the motor.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting sore over here working that thing. Okay, John got his first fish. Quarter's done.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. All right. Settle down. Settle. Calm. Calm. We have one more quarter left.
Round 4 commence.
Fish any lure sitting down. Oh! I just got the motor too. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, buddy. All right, well, he can fish any lure he wants. I might not be so lucky. Let's see what happens to me. 4th quarter, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh, this could be tricky.
Big swim
Big swim bait.
This is my time to shine.
Oh, John could get me on this quarter. He can throw whatever he wants. He knows where they're at. I got to throw a swim bait. We threw them for a little while this morning, didn't get any hits, but maybe things have changed. All we can do is hope. 4th quarter, let's go.
I think I might have to throw what was working in the beginning, that being the trench hog. That was just getting me so many bites. That, or I might throw a drop shot to get some numbers. But it sucks because this quarter, if I was anticipating to land on something good, so I could use the motor for the entire quarter, but I have no control of the boat now. I had the control for like 2 minutes. Nice. Round 4 started. All right, get to the front of the boat, Ricky.
Motor.
Do your thing.
Motor boat.
I'm gonna also do my thing. Try to at least. Well, I've learned a couple things today. One of which is that Weston is really good at fishing. The other is that I hate fishing down. I suck at it. I'm just not good at it. Quarter 4 was pretty uneventful. I didn't catch a fish, nor did my buddy Weston up front, but this means that the challenge is over. The roulette challenge is over. And Weston's the champion. I can't believe I just said those words. Weston, you win. You got that dub. Despite the last minute backlash, you got the dub.
She's broken, man.
At this point in the day, it's just like I'm so drained from the heat. I think it's only appropriate to hand the roulette challenge trophy over to you. I left the real one at home, so you're just gonna have that one.
Look at what we got for the winner.
Buddy got the dub today. I'm pretty surprised in his effort that he put forth in this challenge. I gotta hand it to him. He really cranked him, but you know, this was definitely fun, even though I did only catch 2 fish in the entire day from 7 to almost 12 p.m. now. But that was a good little run. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more challenges on the channel, whether they be lure challenges, roulette challenges, hop on 1 foot and make a cast challenge, I don't really know. You guys come up with some ideas. Let me know down below in the comments. I read a lot of your guys' stuff and base my video ideas off of what you say. So we're peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and check out Weston's channel. And we'll catch you guys sometime on the water pretty soon. Appreciate the view, and as always, folks, keep fishing. Never.